So for the eyes today, I'm going to be taking this palette, which is the ColourPop X Rudolph, the holiday collection. Look at this palette, especially the middle row. Beautiful. Mama is going to take first a transition shade, which would be this one. It's in the shade name Eat Eat. Oh, wow. Okay, so let's just do the transition first. I'm applying the same shade on this eye also. I'm just going to take this, I think this last shade from the palette, which is called as a Ready Santa. Let's just do the outer V. Let's go with the shimmer now. I am going to be picking up the Snowbank, which is this shade in the second row. Okay, I hope you can see how the shimmer looks. I'm going to be using the finger, obviously, for the full pigmentation. This is how it looks. It looks super gorgeous. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to be applying the same shade on this eye also. Now let's blend everything together. Blend the edges of the, and I'm going to be using this first shade in the palette, which is North Pole. This one right here. So I'm just going to put that on the inner corner. Okay, fair enough. So eyes are done, brows are done. So let's get this eyelashes also lifted. Alright guys, we are done with the lashes, the eyeliner. Okay, I forgot to put the lens. I'll just be back.